Cities were never just buildings. They were experiments called humanity. In the 1800s, cities were built from smoke, steel, and human sweat.
In the 1900s, light conquered the night.
In the 2000s, cities started growing upward. In the 2020s, cities began to think.
In 2050, cities will breathe.
By 2100, cities won't stay on Earth. Cities are not places. They are living ideas.
You're watching TrendLab 2025, not a channel, a time machine. Subscribe and stay ahead of tomorrow.